In this problem, we're going to be plotting points in the rectangular coordinate system, or the xy plane. To plot a point, we begin at the origin, and if the x-coordinate is positive, like in A, we will move to the right, and if the y-coordinate is negative, as in A, we will move down. So from the origin, I'm going to move 3 units to the right, and then I'm going to move 4 units down and make a point, and that'll be point A. For point B, we'll again start at the origin, but since my x-coordinate is a 0 this time, I'm not going to go left or right, but my y-coordinate is a 2, so I will go up 2 and make a point. On point C, we have an x-coordinate of 3, so from the origin, I'm going to move 3 to the right, and then I have a y-coordinate of 0, so I'm not going to move up or down, I'll just make my point, and that'll be point C. Point D has an x-coordinate of 2, so I'm going to move 2 to the right, and then it has a y-coordinate of 1, so I'll move 1 unit up, and that'll be my point D. Point E, starting from the origin, has an x-coordinate of -1, so I'll move to the left 1 unit, and then I will also move down 4 units because my y-coordinate is -4. So moving down 4 units, E will be right here. The last point, F, starting from the origin, I will move to the left 3 units, 1, 2, 3, because it was a -3. And then I will also move up 5 units because my y-coordinate is a 5. So that's my point F. Now the second part of this problem, once we have these points graphed, is to find out which quadrant these points lay in or what axes they lie on. So remembering that this is quadrant 1, and this is quadrant 2, and this is quadrant 3, and this one is quadrant 4. It's clear to see that point D is in quadrant 1, point F is in quadrant 2, point E is in quadrant 3, and point A is in quadrant 4. However, points C and B do not lie in any quadrants. C is on the x-axis, and B is on the y-axis.